Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am from Radiant Secondary School. Hope all of you will be fine. As we have started the chapter number 5 of class 7th, which is about water. This is the video lecture number 2 of this chapter, in which we will learn different sources of water. The sources of water are of mainly two types. One is surface water, the type of sources which are present on the surface of earth. The other one is groundwater. This is the water that is found beneath the surface of the earth, and this water can be obtained by digging wells. The surface water is further divided into ocean water, which is unusable water, and the next one is fresh water, that is usable water. Now we will discuss these sources in detail one by one. First of all, we will discuss about the sources of surface water. The surface water can be explained by this pie chart easily. About 97% of the total surface water is present in the form of oceans, and the remaining 3%, that is fresh water, it is obtained in the form of glaciers and other sources. Now we will discuss this surface water in detail as the sources of water that are present on the surface. One is ocean water, and we know that 97% of the earth is covered with the oceans, and this ocean water is unfit for using purposes. The reason behind this is the presence of dissolved gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and presence of many salts like magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, and calcium sulfate, along with the presence of large quantity of sodium chloride, which is known as table salt. Presence of these salt in the ocean water makes it unfit for drinking purposes. Although in many countries this ocean water can be made usable by different processes. The fresh water, which is about the 3% of the total water, and it is found in the form of glaciers, streams, rivers, and lakes. And small quantity of this fresh water is also present in the form of water vapors. These are the sources of fresh water from which we can get water for our different uses. This is all about the surface water. Now we will discuss about the water that is found beneath the earth's surface, known as groundwater. What is groundwater? The water that is present beneath the surface of the earth. Here we can easily observe the groundwater from the picture. You can observe water is present under the surface of earth, and the top level of this water is known as water table. The level of this water table can be increased or decreased during the year. The water table can be increases when there is rain, and the rainwater will soak into the ground and they will make the part of the groundwater, which results in the increase of the water table. It might be decreases when there is droughts. This groundwater can be obtained by digging the wells. In recent years, this groundwater can be obtained by using different electric motors in the form of boring that you can easily observe at your homes. So this is all about the different sources of water from where we can get the water which is usable and which form of water is unusable for us. Thank you.
Sources of water. Water obtained from rains, rivers, lakes, wells, springs and oceans is called natural water. This form of water is not pure and contains various soluble and insoluble impurities like salts and minerals, harmful gases, sand, mud, and germs of various diseases. Rainwater is the purest form of natural water. Rivers, lakes and ponds get their water from the rains and also by melting of the snow on the mountains. Oceans are the main reservoirs of water on our earth. Seawater has lot of common salt and other minerals dissolved in it, so it is unfit for drinking or other purposes. Rainwater seeps into the earth's surface and is collected over the hard rocks present inside the earth. This reservoir of water under the earth's surface is called underground water. This underground water comes out of the earth through the wells and springs. We can also get it through the hand pumps or tube wells.